Welcome to Car AutoZone, where every classic ride gets the spotlight it deserves. Today we're diving into one of the most stylish and beloved cars to ever come out of Germany, the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of rolling art, blending Italian design, German engineering, and the simplicity that made Volkswagen famous. The Karmann Ghia was born out of a unique collaboration. Volkswagen wanted to expand beyond the Beetle and offer something more elegant, more upscale. So they teamed up with the German coach builder Karmann and the Italian design house Ghia. The result? A beautiful coupe and convertible that first hit the roads in 1955. With its flowing curves, low profile, and unmistakable shape, it quickly became one of the most admired cars of its time. Underneath that gorgeous body was the same basic platform and engine as the VW Beetle. That meant a rear-mounted, air-cooled flat-four engine, a simple chassis, and a reputation for reliability. It wasn't built for speed. In fact, the early models only had around 36 horsepower. But what the Karmann Ghia lacked in performance, it more than made up for in charm, elegance, and pure driving joy. Driving a Karmann Ghia is an experience unlike any other. It's not about acceleration or sharp cornering. It's about cruising, soaking in the scenery, and enjoying the attention it attracts wherever it goes. People smile when they see it. It brings back memories for some and sparks curiosity in others. This car has soul, and it makes you feel like you're part of something timeless. Throughout its production, which lasted until 1974, the Karmann Ghia went through a few design changes. Bumpers got bigger, headlights moved up, and the body became slightly more modern. But it never lost its signature look. That teardrop shape, the smooth lines, and the subtle details stayed consistent, and that's what makes it a design icon. To this day, the interior of the Karmann Ghia was simple but tasteful. It had a no-fuss dashboard, comfortable seats, and just enough features to make every drive enjoyable. Some models came with wood-trimmed steering wheels and upgraded upholstery, giving it a bit of a luxury feel without going overboard. It was a car that looked expensive without actually being one, and that's part of the genius behind it. What's really fascinating is how the Karmann Ghia became a favorite among enthusiasts and collectors. Despite being relatively affordable when new, it's now considered a prized possession. Restored models are highly sought after, and finding one in good condition can be a challenge. That's because people don't just buy them. They fall in love with them. They keep them, cherish them, and pass them down through generations. From a historical perspective, the Karmann Ghia represents a special moment in automotive design. It's proof that you don't need massive horsepower or advanced technology to create a beloved classic. All you need is style, simplicity, and a little bit of magic, and that's exactly what this car delivers. If you ever get the chance to drive or ride in a Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, don't pass it up. It's a reminder of a different era, when cars were personal, unique, and built with passion. Here at Car AutoZone, we salute the Karmann Ghia for being a timeless beauty that continues to capture hearts around the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep the classics alive.